Hello friends, today I am going to show you a simple recipe on how to make vegetable semia upma. Semia is also called vermicelli. So today I am going to show you how to make it. For making the semia upma, I have taken store bought roasted vermicelli or semia. You can see the nice texture of it. If you don't have ready-made or store-bought roasted semia, you can initially take a kadai, add oil to it and nicely roast it till you get an aroma of it and keep that aside like this. For making this vegetable semia upma, I have used 1.5 glass of ready-made roasted semia. I have taken this glass for the measurement. For tempering, I have used mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal and asafoetida powder. I have taken 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 1 full teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and asafoetida as required. I have finely chopped the onions, ginger and curry leaves. I have taken 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of curry leaves which is finely chopped, and I have kept it aside. I have used capsicum, carrots and beans. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Green peas also can be added to it. But since I don't have green peas at home, I have only used capsicum, carrots and beans. So I have finely chopped them, as you can see in the picture, and kept it aside. So now I'll show you how to make vegetable semia upma. For this, take a white kadai, add 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil to it and allow the oil to nicely get heated. As you can see, now the oil is nicely heated. Now I'm going to temper it. First I'm going to add the mustard seeds to it. Ensure that the gas is on sim. Keep stirring till the mustard seeds start spluttering. mustard seeds have started spluttering. Now add the chana dal and the urad dal. Keep stirring it. Now as you can see, both the dals are turning slightly red and brown in color. Now switch off the gas. Now I've added the finely chopped ginger and curry leaves. Now after adding the curry leaves and the ginger, I'm going to stir it. Add the finely chopped onions. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it. Adding salt ensures that the onions are cooked faster. And keep stirring it. Keep stirring it continuously till the onions turn translucent. You can smell the aroma of the onions getting fried. Wow! Color of the onions have changed now. They are turning slightly translucent. Now it's time to add the veggies. I've added half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt for the vegetables to get cooked. And mix them nicely. Stir it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add water to it. Slowly add water till all the vegetables are floating. Nicely mix it. Allow the vegetables to cook for some time. Keep in medium flame. While tempering, you can add coriander leaves also and green chilies also. But since I don't have green chilies and coriander leaves, I didn't add them. As you can see in this video, all the water has been evaporated and all the veggies have been nicely cooked. Now it's time to add water. Since I've used this glass for measuring semia, I'm going to use the same glass for adding water. So for 1 glass of semia, I have used 2 glasses of water. So totally for 1.5 glasses of semia, I have used 3 glasses of water and 1 glass of water extra. The reason for adding the extra water is that the semia's texture will look good and it will not be very sticky. So totally I'm going to add 4 glasses of water using this cup. I have added 4 glasses of water. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And asafoetida powder. Keep stirring it. Keep the flame in high. Allow the water to boil nicely. As you can see in this video, water is boiling nicely. Now it's time to add the semia. And keep stirring it. Keep in medium flame. take another 5 minutes for all the water to get evaporated and the semia to cook nicely. So keep stirring occasionally. The water is getting evaporated slowly. Keep this simmering. You can see the water is now leaving the sides of the kadai. Just few more minutes and it's done. Keep shifting in high and low flame. Just one more minute and it's done. So the piping hot semia upma, which is full of veggies, is now ready, and serve it with your favorite chutney. You can have this for your breakfast or for your dinner. It's done. And now I am going to switch off the flame. Wow. Full of veggie. It's looking really colorful. Now I'm going to transfer this to a hot casserole. Wow, look at the texture of the upma. Isn't it looking colorful? Serve this with your favorite chutney. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video.